Oh man, I'm crying just looking at this video. But yep, it finally happened. I'm not going to mention who did it, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this curb rash on your Tesla turbine wheels. We're going to make your wheel looking like this to this in just a matter of minutes. And it's actually quite easy. Anyone can do it. And ta-da! This is the piece that's going to be fixing your Tesla wheel. You can get the whole set for about $100. I know there may be an alternative on the market for way more, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to get this done. But first, if you are planning on purchasing a Tesla product in the near future, feel free to use my referral code where you can get some money off of your next purchase. Now let's get to the video. Okay, just to fast forward, this is what the product will look like after you've done installing it. I will leave a link in the description below where you can purchase this. Basically, my rationale is that if you're going to scratch your Tesla rims, which if you have the turbine, it's going to happen no matter how good of a driver you are, regardless of whether you're driving it or someone else, but it's going to happen. And my rationale is that now that it's happened, do I pay someone to fix it? And then what happens? It's probably going to get scratched again. Or do I try something else? And basically, I found this product on AliExpress. Again, like I said, there is another version of this, which is a lot more expensive. But for just $100, I decided to give this a try. Let me know what you think. Okay, so let's take a look at what comes in the box here. If I can open it. All right. All right, so they come individual like pieces like this, where I guess you snap it into your turbine wheels. And let's take a look here. This is enough pieces for 4 rims. Okay, let's take a look at one of them. Okay, so each piece looks like it just snaps on, and it has this little piece of foam there, I guess to prevent it from scratching a wheel. And this looks like it's the same color as the turbine wheels. Okay, and so before we install it, make sure we want to clean the rims, getting rid of all the dirt and anything that's possible to be wedged between these plastic clips and the rim, causing it to scratch. And what I like to do after washing the rims is just to air it out with my leaf blower. That way you don't have any watermarks on the rims. And now onto the installation. So again, each piece comes individually wrapped, I guess just to protect it from scratching. And the way to connect is that you can see there's a clip here, and it kind of just clips up on the top there, and that's how they really connect with each other. But it's not really holding it structurally. All right, so let's put in the first one. Basically, you gotta hook it from the bottom, then from the right, and then you just snap it in the top. And you'll hear a very satisfying click, and you know that that's in. And then with the second piece, what you're gonna do is, so you feed it through that gap at the top, then the bottom, hook it in, and then you push it in, and it snaps in place. And you do the same all the way throughout the whole rim until the whole thing is done. Here, I'm just gonna show you in real time again. Do the next one, right? Top, click it in, hook it up, hook it into the inner rim, right? And then just push it in, and it'll snap right in. Boom, like that. Right, so far it's looking really great. Can't even tell that it's it was curved. And then it comes with 4 of these the valve stem section of the spoke. Right, same deal. Snap it in. And then just moving along, right, connects the same way after the valve stem one. And here we are, you can see the whole wheel is starting to look brand new again, covering the curb rash. And then the last piece, right? Same deal, slot in, hook it, and we're gonna snap it in place. And there you go, just shifting a little bit just to take out that little gap in between. And there you go. What do you guys think? And that's pretty much it. I've been driving around with these for about 2 weeks now, and there have been no issues. No pieces have fallen off, so I do recommend them. And honestly, when you're ordering these pieces, you should probably get 2 sets since the price is so good at $100, right? I might as well get a backup because you never know, once you curb it, right, you can just easily replace it. And then basically you can drive now without having any, curb rash issues, and your rim's protected. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next one. Bye.